Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the Southern Plateau, which is another major physical division of India. Southern Plateaus. What's a plateau? Do you know? Plateaus are highlands having a flat top and are also called as tablelands. Highlands having a flat top, also called as tablelands. This is a plateau. So when we talk about southern plateaus lies to the south of the northern plains. This area is like a cone in shape. You can see in this map this cone shaped area in the south of northern plains is southern plateaus. These southern plateaus is a major area of India, and major area of India is covered by the southern plateaus. These southern plateaus is bound by the Western Ghats in the west and by the Eastern Ghats in the east. Western Ghats in the west and by the Eastern Ghats in the east. These southern plateaus are bound. And in the northwest, these are bound by Aravalli Hills and by the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. These are the four hill ranges which surrounds these southern plateaus. The southern plateau is the aggregation of a number of plateaus which covers the central and southern India. Southern plateau is the aggregation of a number of plateaus covering the central and southern India. Southern plateaus are divided in two regions by river Narmada. River Narmada divides the southern plateau in two unequal divisions or in two unequal parts. The central highland to the north and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. Narmada River divides southern plateaus into two unequal parts, the central highlands to the north and the Deccan Plateaus to the south. You can see in this map the Deccan Plateau and the central highlands. The upper side is the central and the lower part, which is V-shaped, is the Deccan Plateau. Then the central highlands are further divided into two plateaus, Malva Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Malva Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau are the parts of Central Highland. The Malva Plateau is in the northwest of Central Highlands. It lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya hills. You can see in this map the Malva Plateau. It's in the northwest of Central Highlands. And the hills which surrounds it are the Aravalli and the Vindhya hills. It slopes towards the north. Therefore, many rivers in this region join the Ganga and the Yamuna. You can see in this map, Aravalli and Vindhya hills surrounds this Malva Plateau. The Malva Plateau covers the parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The soil in the Malva Plateau is black and quite fertile. The soil in the Malva Plateau is black and quite fertile. Cotton and oilseeds are main crops grown in this area. Cotton, oilseeds are the main crops grown in this area. Then we have Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is the other plateau in the Central Highlands. It is in the northeast. This area is rich in minerals like coal, iron, manganese, and mica. The other plateau in the Central Highlands is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. It's in the northeast. This area is rich in minerals like coal, iron, manganese, and mica. This area is rich in minerals like coal, iron, manganese, and mica. Then the Deccan Plateau. The other part of the southern plateau, the Deccan Plateau. Major area of southern plateau, also known as Peninsular Plateau, is covered by Deccan Plateau. Major area of southern plateau is covered by the Deccan Plateau. And this Deccan Plateau, you can see here in this map, the major portion or the major area of southern plateau is covered by the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies across the Satpura Mountains. It is towards the south of Narmada. It's bound by western and eastern Ghats. You can see here in the map Western and Eastern Ghats, and these Ghats bounds the Deccan Plateau. A number of rivers originate in this area, like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. The Godavari originates at Trambak in Maharashtra. It's considered one of the most sacred rivers of India, the Godavari river. The Godavari is regarded as Dakshin Ganga. Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east and fall into the Bay of Bengal. All these rivers flow from west to east and fall into the Bay of Bengal. Do you know why these rivers flow from west to east? The reason is that the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. That's why these rivers flow from west to east. Since these rivers are not fed by melting snow, they often dry up during summer. Deccan Plateau is famous for different mines. The two famous gold mines, the Kolar gold mine and the Hulti gold mine, are found in this region. The Kolar gold mines and the Hulti gold mines are the two famous gold mines found in this region, in this Deccan Plateau. As I already told you that the rivers which flow through the Deccan Plateau are rain-fed, so they cause floods during rainy seasons. These rivers are rain-fed, so they cause floods during the rainy season. The land in the Deccan Plateau is uneven, and therefore the rivers form a number of waterfalls. A number of waterfalls are formed in the Deccan Plateau. The Jog Falls on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India. Highest waterfall, Jog Falls. Then different dams have been built across many rivers. The Mettur Dam on the Kaveri is the largest irrigation project in South India. The Mettur Dam on the Kaveri is the largest irrigation project in South India. Another dam are Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the river Krishna and the Hirakud Dam on the river Mahanadi. These are other famous two dams, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and the Hirakud Dam. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is on river Krishna and this Hirakud Dam is on river Mahanadi. The Deccan Plateau has rich deposits of minerals like iron, gold, and mica. And as I already told you that the two gold mines are found in this Deccan Plateau. So, the southern plateaus lies to the south of northern plains and is a major physical division of India. In fact, a major area of India is covered by the southern plateaus. And southern plateau is the aggregation of a number of plateaus. It's divided into two unequal parts by river Narmada, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. And the hills which surrounds these southern plateaus are Aravalli Hills, Rajmahal Hills, Western and Eastern Ghats. And major area of southern plateau is covered by Deccan Plateau. So this was all about southern plateaus. See you in the next lecture.